Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and well, in an ongoing security hazard and a little story behind it. So of course you guys know, if you follow my channel or follow tech a little bit, that there was a security flaw. So first of all, the security flaw was discovered a long time ago, but Microsoft deemed it was not a security hazard, so they didn't do anything about it for a while. And it has to do, of course, with the famous Microsoft Diagnostics Tool. So what happened with this is that Microsoft said the Microsoft Support Diagnostics Tool bug wasn't a problem for a while, until somebody brought it back into spotlight recently. And of course, it had to do with the famous flaw problem. Now, once again, that was a mitigated problem in a way, because you had to have access to the PC in a way. So not necessarily physical access, but you had to do something for this to happen. So if you were online, you would have to click a malicious file that would create that problem. So even though it was a security flaw, you still need a little more activity. You need to have something happening. It's not just visiting a website and it's a problem. Now, there's in the same Microsoft Diagnostics Tool, once again, another problem this month, and it's called dog walk, because it was given as a joke name, basically. It simply means that you can actually still exploit the tool, and it is something that is possible from a compromised website if they have a specially crafted file designed to exploit the vulnerability. So this is a way of actually, it still involves having some activity. So in an email, for example, where the user is convinced into opening a specific file and stuff like that. So once again, it still needs to have something happening to be exploited. It's not like one of those very critical flaws that are just exploited, as just being connected and going to a malicious website is enough. But because it is exploited by bad guys, well, it's important to fix it, because if you ever come across something bad, well, that is one that's going to be, of course, exploited immediately. And of course, if you would get malware in any way by clicking a malicious file, that would be one of the exploits probably that the malware will want to exploit. So there's a lot of things. When we talk about security updates, in general, we talk about security as a whole. That means security updates are, fixing security flaws here and there, which means that overall, even the ones that are low-grade security flaws, what happens is if you would get an infection, it could actually multiply through the different security flaws that you have not fixed if you don't apply the updates. And of course, there's all the other security updates around this that are critical, that can be elevation of privilege just by visiting a malicious website. So it's important to fix and to make sure that you update to stay safe. It's the number one thing to do. Remember, security is 99% what you do in security updates. The antivirus is not even there in security. Anybody thinking your antivirus is what's protecting you don't know what security is all about. It does not. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.